in today's video, I'm going to be racing a 2017 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. And if you didn't know, I have a 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, so this should be a pretty interesting video just to see how these two cars stack up against each other. Now I want to apologize in advance. There's a lot of wind and exposure in the racing clips. I didn't set up my GoPro correctly, so my bad, you guys.
Oh, you motherfucker.
So currently I don't have any engine modifications whatsoever. Right now I'm running with OEM wheels and stock 245 Goodyear tires all the way around. Whack! As of right now, when I race, I drive in auto just because there's no point in me driving in sport considering my car doesn't hook until about second gear. Now I've ordered wheels and tires and they're on back order for about 3 weeks, which fucking sucks. But there's nothing I can do about that. I'm gonna be getting some 275s in the front and I'm gonna be getting some meaty ass 305s in the rear to hopefully help with that spin. And I will be dropping a video or a reveal video for my wheels and my tires. So whenever they arrive, be on the lookout because I'm gonna be dropping that banger. As far as I know, the owner of that 2017 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, I wanna say he has no engine modifications whatsoever. He pretty much just has 275 tires all the way around. And it just so happens that his two back tires were kind of starting to get bald. So that probably was the deciding factor in some of the digs and some of the rolls. All right, if you guys do rock with my videos, please remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification just so you're notified of when I do drop another banger. Anyway, let's get into the races. Yeah.
You get the go, bro.
Huh? All right, are we lined up good? All right. Cool. Jump on that one. I had a late jump on that one. From a dig? One honk or want me to honk? All right, let's get it. Scat Pack gets it again. Huh? I don't know, dude. Oh man, those are some good runs. Yeah. All right, bro. Ready? Yep. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, say I don't have anything done to it.
You got a driver mod.
Right? I'm over here spitting. Nah. Yeah.
We'll try to not gas it on the way.
Okay. actually thought you were gonna get me right there. I was like, ah, shit.
But you know what? It seems like you shift faster into the second and third gear.
Yeah, I don't know if it's just the newer models or not. Maybe. Are you how much gas you got?
I got half a tank.
Half a tank? Yeah, I'm sitting at half a tank too, so that probably shouldn't really be a factor, but
So I have it on sport mode, but no traction control.
yeah.
I hear your engine and your shifting too.
Yeah, it is. Hey, for real, man. They'll be smoking my shit.
Do a roll.
Do a roll. We want to do a 30, 40? 30? All right. All right, 30. Let's get it. Got me on the 30. Holy shit. Damn, man, you fucking smoked me. Yeah, dude, yeah, that was a solid roll right there, man. Shit. Huh? All right. Okay. Okay, you guys, now if you've made it this far into the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know exactly when I'm about to drop my next banger. Anyway, I'm about to go home. I'm about to shower up, go lay down with my girl, hopefully get some juicy ass coochie and get some sleep. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, hopefully. And yeah, have a good day.